Jerusalem is waiting just for you, oh Lord. They cannot see, they do not know the truth, oh Lord. Open their eyes, let them see you, let them feel you, let them hear you, 'cause you are here, oh Lord. Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace, oh Lord. Wonderful Counselor, 'cause you are here, oh Lord. Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace, oh Lord. Wonderful Counselor. ירושלים מחכה לך, אדון. הם לא רואים קדושת שכינתך, אדון. קח עיניהם שיראו אותך, שישמעו דברך, שילכו בדרכך, כי אתה כאן, הגאון. יועץ אל גיבור, אביעד, צר שלום, קדוש אתה אדון, כי אתה כאן, אדון. יועץ אל גיבור, אביעד, צר שלום, קדוש אתה אדון. Listen Israel, He's the Lord of all the heavens. Oh yeah, He's the Lord of all the earth. He's the Lord of all creation.
Because some of you guys know what I do for my mission heart, some of you guys don't know what I do. So I thought I would just share with you. In 2000, I moved to New York City, where I lived for 3 years, to share Jesus with the Jewish people, with Chosen People Ministries. At the end of 2003, I moved back to Texas. I miss bagels, by the way, real bagels. And the Lord said, you know, I took you out of New York, but I didn't take the Jewish people out of your heart. And so in 2004, God led me to begin Tzedakah Ministries, which is a ministry of equipping Christians and churches to know how to share Jesus with the Jewish people. And I don't know if you've noticed, sometimes I've been a little melancholy on this trip because I've been overwhelmed by the Jewish people that are here who have no hope for eternity because they don't know Jesus.